Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to quickly enable the flash alert on your G Shock GLX-5600. So first things first, we're going to want to press and hold our adjust button to enter our time setting mode. Now we're going to press our mode button 8 times to cycle through our settings until we get to this LT screen. If you see the dashes, your flash alert is not on. If we press our lower right button, we should see sync displayed. Now that means that our flash alert is on. So we can press adjust twice to go back to our home screen. Now I've dimmed the light so it's easier to see, and I've got a timer set up, so let's see if our flash is working. As we can see, our flash works as well as our beep. So that's been how to enable the flash alert on a G Shock GLX-5600. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you found this quick tutorial to be helpful. If you're interested in more tutorials and more watch-related content, please be sure to check out my channel and consider subscribing. Thanks everyone.